Toronto, Reuters, Canada said on Tuesday it is working with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to access supplies of Mylan NV's EpiPen emergency allergy antidote amid a growing shortage that has spared the United States. While PhotoEpiPen auto-injection epinephrine pens manufactured by Mylan NV pharmaceutical company for use by severe allergy sufferers are seen in Washington, U.S. August 24, 2016. Reuters, Bourg, file PhotoEpiPens deliver a potentially life-saving dose of the generic drug epinephrine via an automatic injector. They are made at a single Pfizer Inc. facility near St. Louis, Missouri. Last week, Pfizer notified consumers in Canada and Britain that the device is in short supply due to manufacturing problems. In response to a Reuters query, Pfizer said there was no shortage in the United States and that Mylan decides how EpiPens are allocated to different countries. The restricted supply is particularly worrying to doctors and families in Canada, where no alternatives to the EpiPen are sold. Health Canada has told consumers to use expired EpiPens and call 911 in an emergency if they have nothing else. There's not a robust supply in Canada. And there may not be for a while, said David Fisher, president of the Canadian Society of Allergy and Clinical Immunology. He said some Canadians had trouble accessing EpiPens starting in February. We are all perplexed about the whole concept of this worldwide shortage that does not involve the U.S., Fisher said. The U.S. market is the most lucrative for EpiPen, where a 2-pack of the generic injectors retails for $300. In Canada, a single EpiPen can be bought for $100, while the UK National Health Service price for a single dose is closer to $38. Health Canada, the government health department, is discussing with Pfizer and the FDA ways to minimize the impact of the shortage, including exploring access to international supply. Rebecca Purdy, a Health Canada spokeswoman, said. Pfizer Canada spokeswoman Carrie Elkes said the company is working diligently to increase production and expedite shipments to Canada as rapidly as possible. Officials at Mylan and the FDA were not immediately available for comment. Recalls, manufacturing lapses. Meridian Medical Technologies Inc., the Pfizer unit that manufactures EpiPens, has been hit by a series of manufacturing problems. In March 2017, Mylan recalled tens of thousands of devices after complaints that some failed to activate. In September, Meridian received an FDA warning letter by saying it had failed to thoroughly investigate product failures or take corrective actions until the FDA's inspection. At the time, Mylan said it did not anticipate any impact on EpiPen supply. Health Canada said 4 companies have authorization to sell epinephrine auto-injectors: Kaleo Pharma, Taro Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, Valiant Pharmaceuticals International Inc. and Lincoln Medical Limited, but none are currently marketing them in the country. In the UK, 2 rival products are approved for sale from Danish drug maker ALK Abelló and from Valiant's Bausch & Lomb division. In Toronto, Amy Morrell keeps 4 EpiPens to protect her 5-year-old son from a life-threatening peanut allergy. She keeps them at home, at his school and in his backpack. She has not had trouble yet filling a prescription. But if supply were disrupted, she said, it just wouldn't be acceptable. We wouldn't be able to leave the house, she said. It would be life-changing, for him, and for us. Reporting by Anna Meller-Paperney, editing by Michelle Gershberg, Lisa Shoemaker and Leslie Adler. Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.